Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Suter. I live in Connecticut. Um, I teach elementary physical education. I think this is going to be the start of my 23rd year. Um, this is my last regular class before I take the library and media specialist practicum in the spring. And things I like about online learning, I like that I can work at my own pace. So I like when I have time, if I can move ahead and crank out some assignments, then I do that. Um, Things I don't like about online learning, it's challenging not to actually know your professor in person and your classmates in person. So as much as I don't like sitting in a classroom for hours at a time, uh, the human connection is a little weird online. Um, let's see what else. There's not much else to tell you. My school year starts, we start professional development next week on Monday. We have professional development for 2 weeks. And then the students are supposed to be starting a hybrid model after Labor Day. It's causing massive confusion, and we haven't really been given any information yet. So it's stressful. So I'm looking forward to working with y'all in this class. Thanks for watching.